Welcome back, everybody. We're working on the Jeep today. I got Ryan with me. Hi, Ryan. We're going to do a whole bunch of stuff to the Jeep today. We're going to start with the frame straighten. From there, we're going to put some bumpers on. I'll give you a little walk around. Let's see what we got. So the frame's just got a little bit of wiggle to it, and that affected the steering. I'll show you that in a second. The bend in the frame is actually in front of the suspension, so we don't really need an alignment. We're gonna get one anyway, but we got this little rig set up. We're gonna heat it up and see if we can pull it and whack it a little bit and straighten it out a little bit. Then later on, we got some fenders for another day, but we're gonna put a front bumper on, and then we're gonna put a rear bumper on. But with the steering, the wheels are straight, but the steering wheel is upside down. So we're gonna see if straightening the frame fixes that. And if it doesn't, then we'll adjust the steering. Let's get to work. All right, the frame being straight really isn't that much of a problem. We got it straightened a little bit, not as much as I wanted to. I just didn't want it to stack up and translate in the bumper, but it'll be fine. I didn't want the bumper to look too crooked. We got it moved a little bit with our makeshift frame rig here. Not a lot, but it's enough to do a little bit. So we'll adjust the steering and get the steering wheel turn around the old-fashioned way by adjusting the link down below. So on to the front bumper. Good time for a plug. Air Tool Oil. We'll give a bottle away in this video. Just like and subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment down below. If you want us to send you a bottle, we'll pick one person. We'll send them a bottle of synthetic air tool oil from Amsoil. Just leave a comment and tell us what your favorite air tool is. The one you like the most and want to protect the most. We'll pick one lucky winner and send them a bottle. That's what I was going to do. Oh, you hear it? Yeah. And that's what good oil will do. Well, step 2 done. We got the bumper installed. I think it looks pretty good. We're gonna get a light bar installed. I'm gonna wire it up later after Ryan goes home because we don't need 2 people for that. But yeah, I'm gonna turn it around. We're gonna get the rear bumper installed and then call it a day. All right guys, we got the Jeep spun around. Gonna do the rear bumper now. Got everything all set up. Got to take the old bumper off, old hitch off. There's a hitch on the bumper. We're gonna put on a Smittybilt XRC so we can upgrade it later and put a spare tire mount on it. So yeah, let's get to work. One more step done. We got the rear bumper on. Looks good. It's an XRC bumper, as I mentioned before, from Smittybilt. Got some mounting holes so we can add on to it later. Do a adjustable spare tire mount so we can have a bigger spare tire when he upgrades to a lift and some bigger tires later. It looks really good. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to be entered for the Amsoil Air Tool Oil, don't forget to leave a comment. If you don't leave a comment, you won't be entered. It's just how the software works. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.